makes a gathering like this really meaningful is the ability to connect with folks who are coming from all over the country. They're coming for various sectors, frontline community organizations, academics and centers, philanthropy, and it's an opportunity to really build relationships, new relationships, but also deepen a lot of the partnerships and relationships that already exist. I think there's no substitution for that power of people connecting.
Justice requires this, and this is the coming together of folks across communities, across the country, across race, class, gender, all of it. Generation, right? The elders are talking to the youngers. For us to have justice, at the very foundation, have to have that.
We are at an extraordinary moment of risk in our country with a war being waged that is risky, threatening, and an expression of the same urge to dominate that reflects an attitude toward domination over the environment, domination over people. Trying to get through the risk is going to require that we learn to be both weavers and warriors.
No matter what struggle we're in, there's a common denomination that is essential to the success of whatever fight we're pushing ahead, whatever movement we're a part of, and that's mass movement. That comes down to building a story that is irresistible for folks to join, and that story has to be built not out of hatred or negativity, but it's a story about a vision for a future in which all of us can exist on our own terms in a healthy relationship with our ecosystems.
If we can leave here with more sharpened focus on our work, like maybe thinking about our work slightly differently than when we came, maybe through this lens of how am I going to do work in a way that's going to develop the alternatives or be in this moment of being more disruptive in various different ways. So sharpening our tools and maybe adding new tools to the toolbox of how we do our work.
Yesterday when we had the workshop of the 3 Earths, we talked about transitioning to a 3rd Earth that really was a newly created vision of what we want to see, the world we want to live in. It is sort of the long horizon to me that everything we do now for Earth that is reflective of who we are and fully as human beings and recognizes and acknowledges our communities in their wholeness, that respects Mother Earth and our right relations with each other and with Mother Earth. That to me is sort of the 3rd Earth that we're kind of striving to. We do that together.
That's what we're trying to do in this movement. We're trying to make a world of beauty with our friends. Suena